today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a scenario blueprint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save a clean, portable copy of your scenario so you can back it up, share it with teammates, or reuse it elsewhere with confidence. Let's start by opening your scenario. This is the workspace where your logic, modules, and connections live. Make sure you're looking at the specific scenario you want to export so the blueprint reflects the latest version of your setup. Taking a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place can save you from exporting the wrong configuration later on. Once your scenario is open and visible on the screen, look to the top right corner of the interface. You'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. This is where the export function lives, along with a few other scenario-level actions. Clicking that three-dot icon will open a small menu aligned to that corner of the screen. In that menu, select Export Blueprint. Choosing this option tells the platform to package up your scenario's structure, including the arrangement of modules and their connections, into a single file. You're not running the scenario or changing anything about how it works. You're simply creating a transportable snapshot of its design. This is incredibly useful if you want a reliable backup, need to migrate your setup to another environment, or plan to share the architecture with a collaborator who can import it on their side. After you click Export Blueprint, the file will download automatically. There's no extra confirmation required. Your browser will save it to the default downloads location, and you may briefly see it appear in your download bar or panel depending on your browser. The file name usually includes the scenario's title or an identifier, making it easy to recognize later. If you like to stay organized, consider noting where your browser stores downloads so you can quickly find the blueprint when you need it. That's all there is to it. Open your scenario, click the three dots in the top right, choose Export Blueprint, and let the file download. With this blueprint on hand, you'll have a dependable record of your scenario's design that you can keep for safekeeping, share with a colleague, or import into another workspace to replicate the same structure without rebuilding from scratch. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!